In this video, I'm going to talk about using real-world experience and hands-on experiences for children to develop their numeracy skills. We're not talking about a really high-tech approach to it. We're just talking about everyday things that you can incorporate into your conversations with your children. This is once they've started school, and this is as a preschool as well. You can teach your child about the time. So refer to the clocks. You'll have a clock around the house. You can just talk about the time. You can talk about duration of time. How long does it take to clean your teeth? What takes longer? Just incorporate those sorts of things in your conversations. You can play lots of games with your children using dominoes. And the language that surrounds that is really useful for a child to develop their numeracy skills. So you can count the dots on here. You can talk about whether this has more or this has less. You can talk about greater numbers. You can play games like that, all sorts of games like snakes and ladders, counting, using your dice. You can use, give them a set of kitchen scales, either balance scales or just your good old kitchen scales, and give them things to weigh. It can be rice, it can be lentils, pebbles, marbles, anything you've got, and let them just play with it. You don't really have to set a task. Just let them explore and talk about heavier, lighter than, more than, and use that language so that when they come to school they have got a vocabulary to draw on to help them understand what we're asking them to learn about in mathematics.